Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today, Sunday the 7th, I think, 7th of April. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Just have a quick spin round. Everything's showing and growing great, brilliant. These arrived yesterday from Wilco's. These are, I think, 5, let me get them out, 5 dinner plate Dahlias. Get the box. Let me just mix. I love these online. One thing I will say is, I wish they sold these in the shop. That's one there. I'm going to check them all, make sure they're all okay. Nothing's got an infection. It's looking fine. That's 2. There's number 3. Any that unfortunately, there's only 3 I can use. 1. I don't know if that's going to come back. 3. That one might come back. I'll cut that rot off. Welcome back, ladies and gents. I want to show you these. These are the ones that are damaged. As you see here, there is no crown left on that anywhere. That is just all rot. And then this one, I don't know what you're supposed to call that, but that looks like it's got an infection in it to me, that. And the rest are just bits that snaps off. These are the 3 I'm going to try and grow. I'm really unsure whether it's not just been the lot of them. So yeah, that's a picture. These are supposed to be Dahlias, and they weren't cheap either, so I'm not happy at all. The state of those. So yeah, they're the 3 I'm going to try and grow. I've sent them an email to show them the pictures. Hopefully they're going to do something about it. If not, I'm going to ask for a refund. I don't know if that's going to come back. 3, that one might come back. I'll cut that rot off so I can get rid of that. But I'm not very happy about those actually. I've got 3 that look A-okay. But 2 for the bin, unfortunately. That one is no good. No, neither use no ornament. And this one is just rotten in bits. Look at that. So we should get these 3. Let's make the most of the 3 we've got then. So all I do with these is spread them about like so. It'd be nice if they were named varieties. All I seem to do is just get them down into the compost and just, this is some damp compost. I'm not going to water these. I'm going to let the moisture in the compost do its thing. You can water them, but I like to let the compost do its thing, and that should be fine. What'll happen with this then is the moisture from the compost will go into the tubers, puff them up, and then we should get some new growth starting, which will be absolutely brilliant. You can trim all these little bits off if you want, but by doing it this way, I will have 3 lots of new growth, which will be around there, there, and there. I'm going to cut the rot off in that one. Hopefully we can save this one. So yeah, that's unboxing my Wilco tubers. That's it. Unfortunately, I'm going to get in contact with them and see if they can replace the rotten ones, or give me a refund, something like that. So yeah, that's how to that's me unboxing my tubers and getting them ready for cuttings. In a couple of weeks these will have some nice strong growth on, and when they get to about 3 inches tall I shall start taking cuttings off those. But on a happier note, next to those, look at my amazing sunflowers. I am so chuffed with those. So what will happen to these is I'll let them grow a little bit longer, and then I'll prick out the weaker ones, leave the stronger ones, and we are going to have some massive super tall tubers this year. Yeah, and everything else is looking A-okay. These are my Totally Flower Show lupins seeds, and I have 2 more lots up here in this tray. just in there. So hopefully I shall have some really nice lupins this year. I've grown West Country Nurseries lupin seedlings before, seeds, and they've always been fantastic. These are the seeds that we sowed a few weeks ago, probably less than that, and look at all those, absolutely amazing. Next to those we have these absolutely beautiful petunias. I think there's 3 different varieties in here. Yeah, there is. And look at those, they are epic. I started feeding these twice a week now. Now the light levels are getting up there. These will just shoot away. So yeah, that's it. I'll leave these overnight, see how they look in the morning, and I shall message Wilco's and ask them to replace the damaged and rotten ones. They'll give me a refund. We'll see how we get on. Anyway, thank you for watching, everybody. Say hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. Hi, monkey. Hope everybody's keeping well, and as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.